In an emergency, rear passengers need a quick way out. But in the 2025 Plus Tesla Model Y Juniper, the manual door release is hidden under a small cover at the bottom of the door pocket. You need to open the cover with your finger and find the yellow loop inside. For someone unfamiliar with the car, this can be difficult, especially under pressure. That's why we designed this emergency release strap. Installation is simple, just follow this video. First, connect the metal ring on our strap to Tesla's yellow emergency loop under the cover. Then close the cover as usual. The yellow pull loop on the other end stays visible outside. And thanks to the Velcro on the back, it attaches securely to the side of the door pocket. No tools, no damage, just a clean functional upgrade. In an emergency, just grab the yellow pull loop and pull it forward toward the front of the vehicle. It instantly triggers the mechanical release and opens the door. A small upgrade, but a big step toward safety for your rear passengers. Ready to make your Model Y Juniper safer? Product link is in the description. Check it out and order yours today.